Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Welcome to your English online class. This is your workbook of English. New Oxford Modern English Workbook 3. Open up page number 9. Today we are going to solve the work pages of chapter number 2, The Wooden Bowl. Class, you know that we have already completed reading the chapter of the wooden bowl from our textbook, and we also have written down the question answers on our notebooks, and I hope that all of you have completed the exercise of the textbook. Today we are going to complete the work pages, and you have to write them on the work pages and hold your pencil in your hand and complete it with me. The part A is verbs. Here are four passages from the story. Some of the verbs are missing. Can you put them in the correct place? You will have to change the form of the verb first. Okay. You see that there are four passages A, B, C, and D. There are four passages, and there are some of the verbs given. Verbs to use: drop, fall, smash. Now these are the forms of verb, and you have to use them in the passage by changing these forms of verb. These are the first form of verbs, and you will see that in which form it will, whether they are used in the second form or in the third form in the passage. Okay, let's start. Number A is: one day during the evening meal the old man dropped. What is the third form of drop? Is the first form, and the third form of drop is dropped. One day during the evening meal the old man dropped his plate on the floor. Crash, it smashed. Which form of verb of smash is used? Third form of verb of smash is used. Smashed into 100 tiny pieces, and the food fall. What is the third form of fall? Fell. The food fell all over the place. Okay, class, I hope that you understand that these are the first form of verb, and the third form of verbs of these words are used in the passage. Similarly, you have to solve the rest of the passages. Passage B is: Tekla and Manfred became a little worried. The word become will be used in the third form of verb here. Became. They look. What is the third form of looked. They looked out on the street, but Wilhelm was not there. They saw a light on in the workshop. They went to look. These are the words that you have to use in a passage by using their forms of verb. Look. The third form of look is looked. See is used as saw. Became, become, became, is, was, go, went. Okay. Third passage is: they stepped into the workshop and found their son sitting on the floor. He was cutting a small block of wood and working as hard as he could. Okay, now you see that which form of verbs are used of these words: sit, step, find, work, and cut. Sit, sitting. Step, stepped. Find, found. Work, working. Cut, cutting. Okay, I hope that you understand these forms of verb. Now move to page number 10. The fourth passages: come, dinner is ready, said Tekla softly, and she put her arms around her son, and three of them went back to the house. After this, Tekla and Manfred always asked the old man to sit with them at the table. These words are used to, you have to use in the passage by changing their forms of verb. Now come. This is the first form of verb of come. This is also the first form of verb because it is used in the starting of the sentence. Okay. Now the word say is used as said. First form of verb is say. Third form of verb is said. Okay. And she put, also first form of verb is used here. And then instead of go, we used went here. After this, Tekla and Manfred asked. What is the third form of ask? Asked the old grandfather to sit, and the first form of verb is used here. You have to use these words accordingly to the sense of the passage. Okay, class. I hope that you understand these verbs. Now move to the portion B. It is Naman and Zishan. There are two men. Their name is Naman and Zishan. Talk about the picture, name some of the things in the shop, compare them. You can see that there are two shops. This shop is belong to the person whose name is Naman, and this shop belong to the person whose name is Dishan. You can see that there are many belongings, there are many things that are that you can see in the picture that are placed in the shops, and these are the many coins and also the money you can see in the picture. Okay, now you have to solve these two question answer related to this picture. Okay, fill in the blanks. Dash has more money than Zishan. You can see in the picture that this is the money. Okay, now tell me which person has more money, Naman or Zishan. You can see that there is much amount of money on the table, and while the Zishan table is empty. So you will say that Naman has more money than Zishan. Okay, Dash has less money than Naman. Now you tell me that which person has less money. You see that his table is filled with lots of money and his table is very empty. So we will say that Zishan has less money than Numan. Okay, Dash has fewer coins than Dash. You see that which person has the fewer amount of coins, Zishan or Numan? Numan has fewer coins than Zishan, and Zishan has more coins than Numan. You can see that these are the coins, and Zishan has more coins while Numan has less coins. Okay, now question number 3 is write the sentences about Naman and Zishan. You have to use the words more than, less than and fewer than. Also use the given nouns. These are the nouns: bottles, tins, gold, hair, shelves and boxes. Now you have to use these nouns with the words more than, less than and fewer than to make these sentences. Okay. Noman has more bottles than Zishan. Now you have used the word noun bottles and also used the word more than, has more than Zishan. Noman has more bottles than Zishan. You can see that in the picture that Noman has more bottles than Zishan. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 bottles, while Zishan has just 2 bottles. So you will say that Noman has more bottles than Zishan. Similarly, you have to use the following these nouns in the following sentences by looking at the picture. Okay, Numan has more tins than Zishan. Zishan has fewer gold than Numan. Numan has less hair than Zishan. You can see that Numan has less hair while Zishan has more hair. You have to solve these sentences by using these pictures. Okay, Numan has less hair than Zishan. Numan has more shelves than Zishan. You can see that there are 4 shelves and there are just 2 shelves in the Zishan shop. So you will say that Numan has more shelves than Zishan. Zishan has fewer boxes than Numan. You have to use all these nouns in these sentences by using these words and by looking at the picture. Okay, class. I hope that you understand this homework and you have written down it with me. Okay, class. You have to write it down very well and also understand it and learn it. Study well and stay safe at home. Okay, class. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.